Digital analytics. Unlock your business potential with digital analytics. In today's rapidly evolving digital environment, business professionals are under pressure to make smarter, faster decisions to stay ahead. Digital analytics is the key to transforming raw data into actionable insights, empowering you to optimize customer experiences, boost conversions, and drive growth. This article dives into how digital analytics can revolutionize your strategy, offering practical steps, real-world examples, and the latest trends to help you succeed. What is digital analytics, and why does it matter? Digital analytics involves collecting and analyzing quantitative and qualitative data from digital channels, think websites, mobile apps, and social media, to understand user behavior and refine business strategies. Unlike traditional analytics, it focuses on cross-channel insights, revealing the full customer journey from discovery to conversion. A roadmap to data-driven success. For business professionals, this means clearer visibility into what drives engagement and sales. According to a 2024 Forrester study, companies leveraging advanced analytics see a 20% increase in customer retention and a 15% boost in revenue. Ready to tap into that potential? The power of digital analytics. Key benefits for your business. Here's how digital analytics delivers measurable value. Enhance customer understanding. Track metrics like bounce rates, conversions, and user journeys to uncover what your audience wants. Optimized marketing ROI. Identify high-performing channels and campaigns to allocate budgets effectively. Personalized experiences. Use insights to tailor content. It's increasing engagement by up to 30%. Fraud mitigation. Detect anomalies in real time, safeguarding your operations. Trend spotting. Anticipate market shifts to stay ahead of competitors. Current trends shaping digital analytics in 2025. The analytics landscape is evolving rapidly. Here's what's trending now. AI-powered insights. Tools like Microsoft Power BI integrate AI to predict customer behavior, enabling proactive strategies. Real-time analytics. Businesses demand instant data to make on-the-fly decisions, especially in e-commerce. Privacy-first analytics. With regulations like GDPR tightening, tools that prioritize data compliance are critical. Cross-channel integration, unified dashboards combining social, web, and CRM data are now standard for holistic insights. Staying on top of these trends ensures your business remains agile and competitive. Actionable steps to implement digital analytics. Ready to get started? Follow these steps to harness digital analytics effectively. Define clear goals. Align analytics with business objectives, e.g., increasing conversions by 10% or reducing churn. Choose the right tools. Platforms like Power BI or Google Analytics offer robust features for tracking and visualization. Great data sources. Combine website, social media, and CRM data for a 360-degree view. Focus on key metrics. Prioritize KPIs like user engagement, conversion rates, and customer lifetime value. Test and iterate. Use A/B testing to refine strategies based on data-driven results. Pro tip: start small with one channel like your website and scale up as you gain confidence. Real-world case studies. Digital analytics and action case study. 1. Swiggy's real-time revolution. Swiggy's real-time revolution. Swiggy, India's leading food delivery platform, used Power BI to track near real-time metrics across its operations. By analyzing customer order patterns and delivery times, Swiggy reduced delivery delays by 25% and increased customer satisfaction scores by 18%. Their dashboards integrated data from mobile apps and logistics, proving the value of unified analytics. Case Study 2. Fairlife's reporting. Transformation. Fairlife's reporting. Transformation. Dairy company Fairlife slashed report generation time from 7 hours to near instant using Power BI a single source of truth. By visualizing sales and supply chain data, they optimized inventory, saving $1.2 million annually. This shows how analytics can streamline operations for mid-sized businesses. These examples highlight how digital analytics delivers tangible results no matter your industry. Overcoming common challenges. Implementing analytics isn't without hurdles. Here's how to tackle them. Data overload. Focus on relevant metrics to avoid analysis paralysis. Tools with AI can simplify this. Team alignment. Train staff to use dashboards effectively. Consider online courses or vendor-led workshops. Budget constraints. Start with free tiers of tools like Power BI and scale as ROI becomes clear. Looking ahead, your next steps. Digital analytics isn't just a tool, it's a mindset. By embracing data-driven decisions, you can unlock new opportunities. From personalized marketing to streamlined operations, start by auditing your current data setup, setting clear goals, and experimenting with a platform like Power BI. The insights you gain today will shape your success tomorrow. Need expert help with digital analytics? At Qubit Stats, we specialize in data analytics services and data science solutions tailored to your business. Whether you're looking to build custom dashboards, predict trends, or optimize campaigns, our team is here to guide you. Contact us to elevate your data strategy today.